Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing and reviewing this Yoke sewing machine LED light. This is a Chinese brand. As you can see, the model number Y21. They have hundreds of different model and color and different variations. This is the Y21A version. It comes with a regulator and magnetic attachments. I'll unbox and show you what are the contents. You just get the LED light with the cable, and here is the LED light itself. There are lots of LEDs, and on top you have the brightness regulator. The whole neck of the LED light is made of strong metal, and the base plate is also made of metal. And here is the on and off switch and a 5 feet long cable. At the bottom you have a strong neodymium magnet with rubber suction pad as well, so you can basically attach it on any metal surface or any smooth surface. Now this is the basic brightness setup, so you can increase the brightness and dim the light according to your need. It says sewing machine, but you can use it on anything. You can place it on your desktop, use it as a night light, reading light, use it on your shouldering station, workstation, anywhere. So as you can see, the brightness is really bright at the maximum brightness. Now this is my mom's sewing machine. It has attached using the strong magnets, and you can see you can change the direction using the flexible neck. You can place it in front or back, and you can use it anywhere where you need extra light. You can use it even on doing cars work or any mechanic work. This was a very short video. Hope you like my video. Like and subscribe. Thank you guys.